Okay. Hello, อาจารย์ Today we going to present Module 6 and so we begin with the first one, website run checklist. So first we plan and we look at what we need, fixing, check out our competitor and think about who our visitor are. Then we pick a tool, the website builder, hosting, and a domain name. Next we decide the looks, color, font, logo, layout. Next, we build our main page, like a home page, about page, and contact page. We also set up a coming soon page and we decide where our button go. Last, pick a launch date so we have clear deadline. Move on to the second checklist is to getting ready to launch. Now we prepare what we do like SEO work and connect our social media. Check for typo, fix the copyright year, look for broken link, test our form and make sure the site is easy to use for everyone. And make sure that the site is not error. Check about privacy policy and contact list to be sure to ready and plan our social post, then we hit the publish. So after we launch, we keep the site safe by SSL certificate backup and we tell the Google about our site so people can find us. Then we check the real user experience and check the speed again. We turn on analytics to track how we doing. We keep promoting the launch and finally we make a plan to keep the site update over time. And that is for website launch checklist.
Now let's move on to 13 essential components of a business website. The first one, notable domain name. A domain name is your website's online identity. It should be memorable, easy to spell, relevant to your business, and SEO friendly so customers can easily find and remember your website. Second, scalable and secure website hosting. Website hosting stores your website and makes it accessible online. Choosing secure, reliable, and scalable hosting helps ensure good performance, strong security, and room for future growth. Third, build organized navigation bar. A clear navigation bar helps visitors quickly find the information they need. It should be simple, consistent on every page, and optimized for both desktop and mobile users. For business appropriate design, the website design should match the target audience and business type. It should be responsive, user-friendly, and include clear call to action buttons to encourage visitors to take the next step. Fifth, accessible contact details. Contact information should be easy to find and include a business name, address, phone number, email, and social media links. This helps customers reach the business and build credibility. Next, friendly About Us page. The About Us page tells the company's story and introduces the people behind the business. Using authentic content and real images helps build trust and create a stronger connection with customers. What about on-site blog? A blog allows businesses to share useful information, demonstrate expertise, improve SEO, and engage with potential customers through valuable content. Next, social proof. Social proof includes customer reviews, testimonials, awards, and certifications. These elements increase trust and influence potential customers' purchasing decisions. Next one, customized CMS. A content management system or CMS allows business owners to easily update website content without technical knowledge. A customized CMS can better suit specific business needs. Moving on to basic search engine optimization or SEO. SEO helps improve a website's visibility in search engines through keyword optimization, proper site structure, and optimized page elements, making it easier for customers to find the business online. Next, SSL certificate. An SSL certificate secures the website by encrypting data between users and the server. It also improves customer trust and supports better search engine rankings. Next, analytics integration and conversion tracking. Analytics tools help businesses monitor website traffic, understand visitor behavior, and measure conversions. These insights support data-driven improvement to website performance. And the last one, website maintenance. Website maintenance includes those updating content, improving security, fixing technical issues, and monitoring performance to keep the website secure, functional, and effective over time.
Okay, so now we're gonna move on into the checklist for the homepage business websites. So there's two things that should keep in your mind when you creating your own homepage business website. So I'm gonna start off with a clear necessary tagline or what are some features or keywords you should keep it to yourself, and then see what are those features are. So the first one is uh, triple tree, who are you, what do you do, and why target audience should care, and what are the benefits. So basically you have to tell about yourself, like what is your e-business or e-commerce you are doing, why should the target audience believe you, or they should use your products, and what are some benefits they will gain from using your services. And then the fourth one is the social proof, is just auxiliary stuff that you could add to your website to create to enhance your reputation or credibilities, like bringing in your certificates or maybe logos, any kinds of awards or statistic, or even giving yourself a paragraph, or even attach a photo of your team along with the website. So those things could create some kind of credibilities. The clearer it was, the clearer it's better. Okay. So the second one is navigation. So navigation are essentially some things, the things that you can check on your website, or what other things or some features you can add on. So there's quite four of them I would recommend in this case. So first one is no more than 7 levels. When you are adding the navigation on your website, or what are the things that your audience can check on, it shouldn't be more than 7 levels. The reason behind it is because too much icons would make the interface seem messy and overwhelming for the clients. So keep it short, not too much. Second one is you should put your navigation on top of your web page. It doesn't have to be on top, but anywhere you feel like the client would could be immediately know that if they click on here, oh, it's a navigation links. So that also would maximize customer abilities to find your navigation's icons. So third is try to avoid unnecessary pages or menus. Like some of the websites, they make some mistakes by adding some unimportant pages or navigation. For example, adding the policies, the policy pages, or anything about the pages that is not really quite important, but instead try to link with about what does your service do, what is your company is about, something like that. And lastly is try to keep your website description clear, because using a clear and easy to recognize words, it helps customer to see what they want to know. For example, what are the pricing, what is about us, what are the services, or what are the blogs that you have, or what even the courses that you provide, or something like that. So that's pretty much it for the homepage checklist. So now we're gonna move on to the top 3 mobile apps.
And next is top 3 mobile app development trends in 2026. The first trend is foldable device optimization. The first one is fluid responsive design. Fluid responsive design means the app layout can smoothly stretch or shrink to fit any screen size without cutting off the text or the pictures. Next is the real-time layout adaptation. Real-time layout adaptation means the app changes its shapes instantly the exact second you open or close your folding phone without crashing. And next is the compact and expand screens. Developers now have to make apps work well on both the small closed screen and the big open screen at the same time. And the last thing is Samsung and Huawei innovations. New folding phone from big companies are facing app makers to design software in this new way. The second trend is IoT or Internet of Things integration. Our second trend are no longer just for your phone. They are now used to control the smart objects around us. Starting with the smart environment control hubs, apps are now acting as central remote that let users control their smart homes, lights, and office from one place. Connected ecosystems. This trend connect your phone, your watch, and your home appliance so they can share information with each other automatically. And the next thing is intelligent interfaces. Intelligent interfaces learn what you like and automatically change things like room temperature without you needing to press any buttons. And the next thing is Amazon Alexa and Apple Siri. It connects apps with smart assistant like Alexa, let user control multiple smart devices using just their voices. And the last trend is beacon technology. It using by small Bluetooth senders, app can now talk to the physical places you visit. Starting with the first one, location-based interactions. Location-based interaction let an app know exactly when you walk past a specific spot so it can send a message to your phone. And next is the personalized contextual experiences. This allows shop to send you special discount and helpful information based on the exact aisle you are standing in. And the last thing is retail and airport use cases. For example, store can send you coupon while you shop, and airport can send gate updates directly to your phone as you walk by. Apple iBeacon tools like Apple iBeacon help app makers build these location features easily without draining your phone's battery.
Your microphone.
Now I'm going to talk about the mobile app development. I'll explain how mobile are built and the main decision developers are made during the process. So there are two main two main mobile platforms. The first one is iOS and that made by Apple, and Android made by Google. iOS only runs on Apple devices like iPhone, iPad, and Android is used by many different phone brands such as Samsung, Xiaomi, and Oppo. And there are four common ways to build a mobile app. The first one is native. Build separate apps for iOS and Android. It gives the best performance but takes more time and money. And cross platform, like they write the code once and use it for both platforms with tools like Flutter and React Native. For the hybrid, it built the app using web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then package it as an app. It's cheaper but usually slower. For the progressive web app PWA, this is a website that works like an app. Users don't need to download it from the App Store. So every app has two main parts. The front end is what users see and interact with. The back end works behind the scenes by storing data and handling the app's functions. They communicate through APIs, which allow them to exchange information. The front end is built by a team that includes UI designers, UX designers, and developers. Designers make the app look good and easy to use, while the developers write the code and connect the app to the back end. For the back end, Developers can either build everything themselves or use cloud services. Many companies choose cloud service because they are secure, reliable, and can handle many users. And most mobile apps need common features such as user login, push notification, analytics, cloud storage, and data syncing. And many modern apps also include AI features like chatbots, speech recognition, and image recognition. That's pretty much about the mobile application development.
And now let's looking at the ultimate 2026 website checklist. For the performance business optimization, we prioritize website security by protecting customer data and ensure secure online transaction. We also implement analytics and data tracking to monitor user behavior, website traffic, and conversion rate. This allows us to make data-driven decisions. Finally, after the website is launched, we continuously optimize by collecting user feedback, conducting A/B testing to compare the different designs or features, and making ongoing improvements to enhance user satisfactions and business performance. And for users' experience and growth, we first use AI personalizations and chatbots to provide an instant customer support and personalize the product recommendations, which make the shopping experience more engaging. We also ensure the website follow WCAG accessibility standards, so it's easy for everyone, including user with disability, to navigate. In addition, email marketing helps maintain customer relationships by sending personalized promotion, product updates, and abundance card reminders to encourage repeat purchase. And that's all for our presentation. Thank you.